Ay, where is your position here, man? Here, man, si Kael.
No.
Okay. You have no story?
Yeah.
Okay, you sit with Dada. Okay, this is the story about a boy who did not know how to pee on the right place.
Yeah.
You know what's pee?
Yeah.
You ihi ha?
Yeah.
You
Wiwi.
wiwi?
Yeah.
Ah, wiwi. One day, in a village, the boy is always being held by his mother. Mama, mama, I want to pee. Okay, my son, let's go to the bathroom. And so the boy pee like that every day. But when the mama is now busy, the boy doesn't know how to pee.
Yeah.
So the boy, okay, I will pee here. And I will pee there. I will wee-wee here. I will wee-wee there. So he wee-wee the bed. He wee-wee his clothes. He wee-wee his shoes. He wee-wee his toys. And then, just suddenly, Mama realized, oh, why is the house so stinky? The house smelled bad. The house smelled like salt. Why do you think it smells like this? So the mama went out to the window and monitored his son, his baby. The baby woke up, goes to the living quarter and wee-wee the sofa.
Yeah.
Oh, and then the mama said, aha! I saw you. What, mama? You wee-wee the sofa. Oh no, that's why the sofa is stinky.
Stinky.
Yeah, dirty.
Dirty.
You want to smell the ew.
Yeah.
Yeah. And the boy said, I'm sorry, mama. I don't know how to wee-wee properly. My son, the only place you can wee-wee is the
Bathroom.
bathroom. Very good. So every time you need to wee-wee, you go to the
Bathroom.
yes. No other place except the bathroom.
Bathroom.
Yes. So the next day, the boy wee-wee in the
Bathroom.
and the sofa, the toys, the pillows, and all other stuff in the living room is now free from the stinky of the wee-wee.
Yeah.
And that's the story of the boy who did not know how to pee properly.
Yeah.
The end. So what's the story about?
Yeah. Boy will not pee.
Yeah, the boy will only wee-wee in the
Bathroom.
yeah. Always say if you want to.
Wee-wee.
Yeah. Tell mama what you learned today.
What I want today,
Yeah,
Mama.
what is the story all about?
About the boy will not pee.
Properly.
Yeah.
Then what happened to the boy?
Will not wee-wee.
You will copy the boy in the story? You will not copy the boy in the story? Yes, you will not copy the boy, okay? You only wee-wee where?
In the bathroom.
Yeah. You do not wee-wee in your?
That's open.
Yeah. You tell mama. You tell mama.
I don't think to wee in the open, Mama.
Yeah, that's
Where
right.
will you wee-wee?
In the bathroom.
Very good. Okay.
Come here, Dada.
Why?
Let's go to drink water.
Ah, okay. Dada will drink water.
Dada will drink water.
Cheers.
No, you're the water into
I have water.
No.
I have water.
Huh?
I have water. You see? And the tintada is not water. Cheers! Okay, let's go to sleep. What did you learn today?
About the boy will not pee pee.
Yeah. Okay, you go sit.